Okay, how to find the rational numbers on a number line? Already you know that this is the number line 0. The towards 0 towards right side take positive numbers, and from 0 towards left side negative numbers. Already you know. This is a number line. In this number line, for example, rational numbers is given. How to find the rational numbers? That means fractions. Fractions means decimals. So, these rational numbers, how to find the rational numbers on a number line? In this number line, how to find? For example, 3 by 4. Where is the 3 by 4 on a number line? How to find the 3 by 4 on a number line? Okay, first of all, how to find the means? The first step is, what is the 3 by 4? Is it a improper fraction or proper fraction? It is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. Every proper fraction is in between 0 and 1 or 0 and minus 1. If it is negative rational number, it is in between 0 and minus 1. It is positive number 0 and 1. These two numbers between every proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is the smallest number greater than comparison denominator. Numerator is the smallest number, denominator is bigger number. That type of fraction is called proper fraction. This proper fraction is always in between 0 and minus 1 or 0 and minus 1. Okay. So, how to find the this proper fraction are, for example, 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is a improper fraction because numerator is a bigger, denominator is smaller. This can be how to find. For example, 29 by 6. 29 by 6 also a improper fractions. This improper fraction, how to find the number line? First of all, this number is, which number is in between? 5 by 4. 5 by 4 can be written as 4 1s are 4. 1 is the denominator. So, 1 by 4. This can be written as a mixed fraction. Again, 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. So, 1 by 4 can also written as 1 plus 1 by 4. Also this one, 6, 29, 6 times. 6 4 times, 24, remainder is 5. So, 4, 5 by 6. 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 5, 29 by 6. So, 4 plus 5 by 6. So 1 plus something. 1 plus something means 1 point something. So it is in between 1 and 2. 5 by 4 is the in between something. And 4 5 by 6. 29 by 6. 29 by 6 is something. 4 plus something. That means, and 4 and 5 in between something is there. Okay. So how to find the exact point? So listen. Any rational number can be represented on the number line notice that in a rational number The denominator tells the number of equal parts in which the each unit has been divided. The numerator tells how many of these parts are considered. Any rational number can be represented on a number line. Notice that in a rational number, the denominator tells the number of equal parts in the each unit has been divided. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, something. For example, 5 by 7 is given. According to our condition, what is the condition? How to find the representation of a rational number on a number line? Means, notice that in a rational number, the denominator says the number of equal parts in the each unit has been divided. So, 5 by 7. First of all, this is a proper fraction or improper fraction? This is a proper fraction. Every proper fraction is in between 0 and 1. So, this is the in between there. 5 by 7 is in between 0 and 1. Next, the denominator tells the number of equal parts in the each unit has been divided. 0 and 1 is a 1 unit. This unit can be divided into 7 equal parts. That means, okay, this is the magnitude 0 and 1. This can be enlarged. Okay. Now, this is the 7th part. 7 parts. So, this 0 and 1 can be divided into 7 parts. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts, 6 parts, 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. 0 by 7, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 and this one is 7 by 7, that is 1. 0. 0 by 7 and 1, 7 by 7. So 1. 0, 1. This is the 0, 1. It is enlarged. So this can be divided into 7 equal parts. Okay. Now 5 done. The numerator tells how many of these parts are considered. How many numbers you need? 5. So 5th. This is our 5 by 7 value on a number line. So like that you can find the every rational number on a number line. So first of all, you remember that what is that means? The denominator tells that the number of equal parts in the each unit has been divided. How many parts divided? That is denominator. Numerator tells that which part, how many of these parts are considered. We need how many parts? 5th part. So 5th. So here like this is the 5 by 7. This can be written like find the number on a number line. This is the proper fraction. For example, improper fraction is given 15 by 4. 15 by 4. It is a improper fraction. This is how to find the improper fraction. First, this improper fraction converted into every improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction first of all. So, for how many times? 4 3s are 12. For 4 is 16. It is more than. So, 4 3s are 12. 15 minus 12, 3. 3 by 4. So, 3 plus 3 by 4. Okay. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So 3 plus something, 3 plus something less than 4. So in between 3 and 4. This is 3 and this is 4. Okay. So here 3 by 4 is there. So in the denominator 4 is there. So this can be divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay. 3 by 4. Three, 4. Okay, 3 by 4. 9 by 3. Okay. 10 by 3. 11 by 3. 12 by 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 parts remainder. Okay, sorry. By 4. So 12 by 4, 3. 16 by 4, 4 equal parts. 16 by 4 means 4. Okay. 13 by 4, 14 by 4, 15 by 4. Now we need 15 by 4. So we strike off like this. This is the our need the number 15 by 4 on a number line. This 15 by 4 on a number line. This like we can convert the rational number on a number line. Okay, next the next concept is, for example, 5 by 8 on a number line. 5 by 8 on a number line. 5 by 8 is in between 0 and 1. So this is 0, this is 1. Denominator tells how many equal parts. So 8. This number line can be divided into 8 equal parts. So 0 by 8, 8 by 8. 8 by 8 equals to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8. 1. 8 by 8. 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8 and 8 by 8. For each number is you need 5 by 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 8 is a number. Okay, this is the rational numbers marked on a number line. Find out the rational number on a number line. This is the concept. The next concept is how many rational numbers between two rational numbers. How many rational numbers between any two rational numbers? For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -4, 4, 5 like that. How many integers in between -4 and 3? How many integers in between -4 and 3? Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like counting. Okay. But here rational numbers. Rational numbers means this line only can be divided into 8 equal parts. Like a line can be divided so many parts. For example, this is 100, I think. So, 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 3 by 100, 4 by 100, 5 by 100, so on like that. For example, this is 1000. 1000 parts can be equally divided. So, 1 by 1000, 2 by 1000, 3 by 1000. So, every number line can be divided into infinitely many parts. So, rational numbers between any two rational numbers, every two fractions can be divided into infinitely many times. Infinitely many times. On inserting between any two rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. If you take any two rational numbers or any two integers or any two natural numbers or any two whole numbers, any number if you take, the two numbers in between infinitely many rational numbers you inserted on inserting between any two rational numbers, there are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Infinitely many rational numbers in between any two rational numbers or any two integers or any two natural numbers or any two whole numbers. Okay, once. Two and three. These two numbers are which numbers? rational numbers. These rational numbers, how many rational numbers between these two rational numbers? Okay, 2 by 1, 3 by 1. This is two rational numbers. For example, if you multiplied both numerator and denominator with 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4 by 2. 3 2s are 6 by 2. So denominators are equal, like fractions. Numerators 4 and 6. What is the between? 5 by 2. So if you multiplied both numerator and denominator with 2 and 2, 2 and 2. For example, 2 by 1 into 5 by 5, 3 by 1 into 5 by 5. If you multiply the same operation, both numerator and denominator multiply with the same number, that value does not change. In the lower section you already learned. Okay. So 2 5s are 10 by 5. 3 5s are 15 by 5. So both denominators are equal. This is the like fractions. So numerators 10, 11 by 5, 12 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5. So how many rational numbers? 4 rational numbers between these two numbers, 2 and 3. 10 by 5 means 2. 15 by 5 means 3. 2 and 3 in between. How many rational numbers? 4. So like 2 by 1 into, for example, 100 by 100. 3 by 1 into 100 by 100. So 200 by 100, 300 by 100. So here also denominators are equal, like fractions. So 201 by 100, 202 by 100, 203 by 100, 204 by 100, and so on. 299 by 100, 298 by 100. So like how many numbers means? 99 numbers. In between the two numbers only. So and so on like that. In between any two rational numbers, we can write infinitely many rational between that two given numbers. For example, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. These are two rational numbers. How to write the infinitely rational numbers? First given these two numbers are different fractions. First converted into these two fractions are like fractions. Like fractions, how to convert the like fractions? LCM. The LCM of 3 and 4 is? LCM of 3 and 4 equals to 12. So 2 by 3 into 12, 4 by 4, 3 4 is 12. So 8 by 12. And 3 by 4 into 3 by 3, 4 3 is 12. So 3 3 is 9 by 12. So first fraction is 8 by 12, second fraction is 9 by 12. For example, you need 5 rational numbers. You multiply both the numerator and denominator with 6 by 6. You need 5 means 5 plus 1 6. 8 by 12 into 6 by 6. 9 by 12 into 6 by 6. 8 6 are 48 by 12 6 are 72. 9 6 are 54. 12 6 are 72. So denominators are same. Numerators 48 and 56 between 49 by 72, 50 by 72, 51 by 72, 52 by 72, 53 by 72, 54. So 9 6 are 54. So 1 2 3 4 5 rational numbers. If you need 10 rational numbers in between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4, you multiply both numerator and denominator with 11 by 11. 11 by 11. 8 9s, 8 11s, 88 by 12 11s, 132. 9 11s, 99 by 132. You need 10. So 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. Sorry. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. By 132, 132, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like that, if you need 100, you multiply both numerator and denominator with 101 plus 1. So how many rational numbers between any two rational numbers means? Infinitely rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay, important concept is how many natural numbers in between 2 and 3? How many natural numbers? Zero, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. How many natural numbers between 2 and 3? Between 2 and 3, how many natural numbers? There is no natural numbers because 2 and 3 are also natural numbers. In between, there is no natural number. And how many integers in between 2 and 3? There is no numbers. How many integers in between 0 and 3? 1, 2. How many integers in between minus 3 and plus 3? 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. These are 5. Okay. But how many rational numbers between any two rational numbers? These are also rational numbers. Any two rational numbers is infinite. Okay. The next concept is, and here is also an important method is, if A and B are any two rational numbers, then A plus B by 2 it is also called the mean method, mean of A and B is a rational number between A and B. If A and B are any two rational numbers, for example 2 and 3 are any two rational numbers, then A plus B by 2, that means 2 plus 3 by 2 is A equals to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is in between these two numbers. And 2 plus 5 by 2, 2. 2 plus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 3. 3. The next two numbers in between 5 by 2. So 2 comma 2 2 are 4, 4 plus 9, 4 plus 5, 9 by 2, 5 by 2, 5 2 5 are 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 by 2, 3. These are next three rational numbers, and so on like that. 2 comma 2 plus 9 by 2 comma 9 by 2 plus 5 by 2 comma by 2 and by 2 also, by 2 by 2, 5 by 2 plus 11 by 2 by 2 comma 11 by 2 plus 3 by 2 comma 3. Next 4 numbers, and so on like that continuously. This method is called mean method. This method is called a mean method. It is very lengthy process. Before that I explained that is very simplest method. For example, we need 10 rational numbers between 2 and 3. 2 by 1, 3 by 1. You need 10 means you multiply with 11. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 11. 2 plus 11, 22 by 11. 33 by 11. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you need simply. Okay, this is the very important concept. This is another method also. If you given like MCQs, what is the mean method of every two rational numbers? How to find the rational numbers between any two rational numbers? A plus b by 2. The given numbers, the average of the given two numbers are a plus b by 2 or 2 plus 3 by 2. That is the mean method. Okay, the next concept is decimal representation of rational numbers. Decimal representation of rational numbers. Decimal number are two types. Decimal number can be divided into two types. The first one is terminating decimal. Another one is non-terminating decimal. These are the decimal number divided into two parts. One is terminating decimal and another one is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal also can be divided into two parts. The first non-terminating is non-terminating repeating or recurring decimals. Another one is non-terminating non-recurring decimals. These are the decimal numbers representation. Which decimals are called terminating decimals and which numbers are called non-terminating decimals? Which decimals are non-terminating repeating decimals? Which decimals are non-terminating non-recurring decimals? Tomorrow we will discuss about this decimal number system representation. Okay, thank you.